Hey guys, if you're thinking of starting an Ausbildung program in Germany, stop right here. This video is for you because there are 5 things you need to know before you make that choice. Plus, there is going to be a bonus tip at the end of the video. So, be sure to stick around if I were you. Hello guys, and welcome again to my channel. If you're thinking of starting an Ausbildung in Germany, there are 5 important things you need to know. And you may ask, what are these? Let me tell you. Number 1. So don't mind me, I'm going to be looking through my notes because I had to do some jotting down so I can give you guys the right points. Okay, so if you see my eyes moving this way, just know I'm going through my notes because this coffee, I have so much inside. Anyways, number 1, do it for you. Do not choose a program because it's trendy or your friend or your neighbor or your family are doing it. Pick something you actually enjoy because you're going to be spending years in it. You're going to spend years in it. You don't want to do something at the end of the day you drop out, or after reading it you just leave it. So don't do something that is trendy. Do something that you will love because all work are not easy. You might feel like, oh, this is looking so fine, but there are obstacles in every profession you see. No one is telling. There are obstacles, there are ups and downs, there are tears, there are joyful moments in every profession. So choose your battle wisely. If you're like confused, I don't know what to do, think to yourself, do I really need this? Do I really like it? Would I really love it? For example, let me give an example. If you're going to nursing, can I be able to see blood? Can I withstand seeing blood? Can I withstand seeing some kind of wounds, open wounds? Does it irritate me? Taking care of people, cleaning their poops, does it irritate me? If you're in that section that those things irritate you, then health is not for you. There are other Ausbildung programs you can do. There are IT, there are engineering, there are other Ausbildung programs you can do. So that is the first point. Do it for you, not for someone else. Number 2, make sure this Ausbildung, this choice fits you. For example, as a parent, check through, does this Ausbildung, does it fit you? Does it allow you to care for your family? Because you have to create a balance. Not just about trying to get your career started. You have to find a balance as a parent as well. There has to be there. So make sure this Ausbildung you're going for fits you. There has to be balance between your career and family. Number 3, use it wise. Just don't survive in Ausbildung. Take every chance to learn, to grow, and build connections that will help you in the future. For example, you're being posted to where you're working, you have your colleagues, of course, with higher experience. Some might be bad, which is normal. Why some might like you as a person, why some might not like you as a person. So yeah, the ones that like you as a person, take advantage of it. Ask questions relating to your choice for future. After this, what next? What can I do? Are there other things to do? Are there other courses, programs, things I need to do to further myself, to upgrade myself? Ask questions because those things, they will help you in the future. Number 4, work smart, not hard. Have you heard of the saying, like, or have you seen someone being paid for doing too much hard work instead of smartness? What I mean by working smart and not hard doesn't mean that he doesn't have to work hard. You work hard, but working smart is very important. What that comes in place, viralvideo. Viralvideo is extra training course after your Ausbildung program. It can be for a year, it can be for months, depending on what you choose. And these extra training courses open doors to more opportunities, higher pay, more option on how to program your working time. You know, for example, nursing, we have so many vital bidons you can do. If you decide that you don't want to be a bedside nurse, then you can go do vital bidon into informatic, which means you're just working with computers and things like that. You can do vital bidon as for nursing students. It's called practice highlighter or practice highlightering. You know, you can do vital bidon for that. You know, number 5, mindset is key. Because in every profession, there will always be obstacle. You have to first of all believe in yourself. You might think, oh, the language is so hard, things like that. There are so many, they will not like me, my skin color, blah, 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 blah. Said in other words, mindset is the key. Be positive, really be positive, because everyone has their struggle, and that struggle is the foundation part of it. Okay, don't be deceived by the end result. Everybody had their own struggle, their sleepless night, their tears and everything, you know. So just push, keep pushing through it. Remember where you're coming, remember your own story, because everybody has their own story. So when you look at your own story, you keep pushing, because I know you've got this. Anyways, so if you have been watching this video up to now, it means you've sticked around to the end, and I really appreciate it. I'm not going to take that for granted. So for your gift, here is the bonus tip. Be sure to talk to people in that field you are interested in. You might say, why is because their real life experience will save you years of pain and regret. You were like, I don't get it. Okay, hold on, I'll explain. For example, they will tell you what they did, the mistakes they did. Perhaps they didn't have anyone to, they could ask questions, so they had to make a couple of mistakes before they could get it right. So those mistakes they did, you are going to jump and pass those mistakes. So you're avoiding those mistakes because you already heard from them, and you're not going to repeat that same mistake. So you're going to have like a smooth ride, I would say, because they're going to give you tips, tricks on how to succeed in that career. I feel like that is just an expo. For me, that is an expo. So they're going to give like expo on how to survive. So you're seeing yourself move into that career with so much knowledge of someone that has gone through it. Meanwhile, you haven't, but because you've spoken to experienced people in that field, it means you're all pumped up, you're all fueled up to start this program you've chosen. So I would advise you, before you think of starting, this bonus tip should be the first. You know, you should check, you should ask. After thinking this is really what I want to do, ask questions with people already experienced in this field, and they will tell you their stories, the tricks and tips on how they survived. Before you choose your hospital, keep these tips in mind, and if you find this helpful, please be sure to subscribe. Here it helps to grow this channel. Like, because when you like, more people get to see this video. Like and share for people who really need it. Share to your family, share to your friends, so that they can learn and avoid mistakes. Okay, until then, keep staying blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.